The battery comes separately on a different packaging than the bike itself. The bike comes very securely packaged with lots of foam and insulation. Once you make your way through all the packaging supplies, which by the way will take you a while, we need to install a few components. I like installing the front wheel first so the bike can stand on the kickstand. The front is a quick release wheel, so you just have to insert it into the fork and you can just use the quick release bracket to secure it. Just make sure that the disc brake rotor aligns with the brake pads. Go ahead and secure the handlebars. The headlight is secured with the front fender using the Allen screw. Make sure the headlight is fully secured. Follow the same steps for the rear fender. The pedals are clearly marked left and right, and you just have to tighten them using the tools that came with the kit. Finally, install the battery and you're ready to go. I really like that the frame is discreet and doesn't look like a typical e-bike, but rather looks like a typical mountain bike. The battery is well integrated within the frame and it is just a very minimalistic frame design. The tires are very slim yet capable and overall just feels like a normal bike. The frame itself is made out of 6061 aviation grade aluminum, so it is extremely durable but amazingly lightweight. The entire bike just weighs 45 pounds, making it one of the lightest e-bike we have reviewed in our channel. This weight is actually very comparable to smaller e-bikes like the Jetson Bolt Pro we have reviewed.